welcome to Basic Back Beauty. Basic Back Beauty. Alright, well, Christmas is over. Hope you had a great Christmas. I know I did. And I hope you got spoiled and you're still safe and well and healthy. Okay, so I thought I'll do a New Year's Eve look. Well, there we go. I bought this top probably a few years ago. And it's huge. I've never worn it and I've lost weight, so now it's just it's gorgeous. I bought it from City Chic, I think it was. Wasn't cheap, I splurged. So today I thought we'll go all glamorous. Oh, and these earrings, I need to mention these earrings. This is from my boyfriend's mother. She got me them a couple of Christmases ago. I love her. She's so cute. Okay, let's get into it. I have no idea what I'm doing. Which could be good or could be a disaster. So I thought we'll go in with, let's just match my top and go in with silver, which is called, I can't read. All right, Love Bomb. Hopefully some of you might meet some people. Might have a love bomb for New Year's Eve. I've done all my face already. If you need to see that, go check out the previous videos. I am doing what exactly? I don't know. Actually, no, I'm not going to start off with that. I might start off with melty. Oh, it's weather. Actually, I'm going to start off with the black, I think. We'll go in with the black. I might do a smoky sort of disco-y thing. It's called, oh God, what does it say? Oh, it's got the plastic backwards. And upside down. Well, we're really working this one. Obsessive. Oh, well, we don't want you to have an obsessive love bomb. So we're going with the black shimmer. And we'll do it up here and we'll try and smoke it out a bit. So I might start with, let's see how this goes. Oh, better zoom you in, eh? Now that you're up close and you can see all my wrinkles and crevices. Yay! So have you got plans for New Year's Eve? I hope to go to my boyfriend's house and stay up there for a bit. And we usually go to his auntie's house and have a bit of a piss up there, and you know, you can see some fireworks from there, which is really good. So I'm just making a black line, as you can see, and my off center again. Always freaking off center. There you go, it's sort of sticking here. So we've applied that, and now we're going to get the blendies out. Blend it across. And don't worry about the fallout. Now the big question is, have you made a New Year's resolution? Oh my God, the sweat pouring off me. Oh no, it's glitter. Ah, of course it is. What a dickhead. I'm like, I'm not that sweaty. Oh. Excuse me. Anyway, back to it. New Year's resolution. What have you got? Leave me a comment down below. I think this is going wrong. We can always fix it. Blend, 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 blend. Blend, blend, blend. You still do New Year's resolutions? I don't. I think if you want to do it, you just do it. So, but yes. Here we go. Still trying to thin it out a bit. this is going to be another quick, easy one. So we're going to go in with this. Take it as far as you can. You might pop in it's a bit much. So I'm going to go in with, if I could use the same brush. I didn't say that. This nude colour. Just to lighten it up a bit, because it's really dark. Oh my god. Just closed it on myself. Can I either do this or white? Depends what you're putting over it. I think I shouldn't have gone back in for that second dab. Ah, dear. Ah, well. Nothing but a good pair of eyelashes can't fix. I'm going to go back in with a bit more. Lighten it up a bit. So if you think you've stuffed up on a colour, just go back in with something a bit lighter. And then just fix it up. Oh my god, I need a whole lot of, I'm going to need a lot more. So I even curled my hair for the occasion. I love curls. Love curls. I was going to do, because I'm red now, I was going to do a bit of green for Christmas, but I just never got around to it. Oh, look, that's sort of calming down a bit. Much better. Oh my goodness. This light doesn't help either. It's just heat. I keep getting my things stuck in my hair. Alright, oh, I've got to do the other side. Let's see if I can not. Alright, we might just go in with a, instead of the shimmery, we might just go into that black. It's a bit lighter. And that black is called, let me face it the wrong way. I meant the right way. Oh, we're going to do that anyway. I'm going to say, no, wait, looks like it's, oh, I've got it done again. Oh, I can't find it, I can't work it out. Wait. That doesn't look right. Hook rib, I think? I don't know, hook something. We'll call it hook up. There you go, there's your New Year's Eve. You're getting a love bomb and a hook up. Hook up, hook up. Well, you could do the other as well. It's, you know, it's their own. Maybe I should have done a dark grey. That probably would have helped a lot. I keep forgetting about this silly thing again. I'm so sorry. Oh, we'll go in with the nudie one. And we'll lighten that puppy up. Have you bought a new outfit or anything? Well, I did a few years ago and now I'm getting some. You wear it. Maybe you're the same. I like the fireworks, but I don't know. The older I get, the more I appreciate the. Oh God, why is this? I appreciate the 9 o'clock fireworks. Or I record them, or I watch the next day. The highlights. But yeah, I'll try to record it. I used to go to sleep early and then set an alarm so I can get up just in time to watch the 12 o'clock fireworks and make New Year's Eve and go, yay! So I'd be like, yeah, did you make it? I made it. I so made it. Yeah, totally. Mm-hmm. Well, that's how much. Should be fine. Should be fine. It's not too bad. It's very, very smoky. So I would suggest that you put less on and then blend it and then add to it if you need to it. Not do what I do and just stab it and go, eh. I almost poke myself in the eye. Okay, let's go in with the Love Bomb. That's this is really pretty. Oh, she's so pretty. That's like New Year fireworks to me. Oh, yes, yes. What is that hanging off? Certainly matches my top, doesn't it? I can't believe it's 2022. I mean, it will be. It will be 20. Yes, I'm posting this from the future. Now we go in with our blendy blendy. So you can either stop there, or you could go a bit more. That's what I'm saying. We're all very different. We all do different things. So you do what you want to do, you know? And then, you know, if you stuff it up, it's, you know, you can either try and work it out, or, you know, you can always wipe it off and try again. Should have done the gold on this side. No, but I'm wearing silver. Yeah. I'm more of a silver person anyway. Apologise for the cars. I do live on a freaking highway. So, you know, they never stop. Never stop. You don't need to prove that. I heard a cat meowing. I just have a trouble-free video, please? So if you wanted, you could just guide that along there. Bring it down a bit so you've got a glittery T-line. Not T-line, in a corner. Oh my god. This heat's driving me mad. Now I'm going to go under with a bit of black. I say a bit, but it's way too pigmented. It'll probably be heaps of black. Not too bad so far. Nice, if I do say so myself. I'm not a very summery girl. I don't like the heat. Never really have. Now I've got too much on this side. Let me find something to blend it with. Yeah, not too bad. Not too bad. Usual the fallout. Pardon me. Alrighty. I've got some lippy that I found on Wish. I want to think it's real. Cute beauty. But yeah, I was going. Oh, it's probably too dark. I was going for like a nude because you've got all this happening there, and yeah, try. That's nice. Oh, it smells nice. Mm. Noisy. And I almost said a naughty word. That's not too bad. And no, I forgot the pencil. This humidity is just driving me insane. Okie dokie. Let's, oh, what eyelashes? I think we'll just go with plain ones. Okay. Give me a second, I'll go put some lashes on. And we're back. Look at that. These eyelashes are so beautiful. I don't know what that was. But anyway, I hope you have a fantastic New Year or New Year's Eve. Go out and party like there's no tomorrow, because who knows these days. Stay safe out there. Be responsible. Be healthy. Come back to me. Like, subscribe, and share. Bye. Happy New Year.